So this method is made a lot more interesting than what it could have been if I did not have a enumeration. What would a person return if we didn't have enumerations to play with? Would you return an integer that just has a constant that's used throughout your program, just the number 1, 2, or 3 to determine these 3 values? Would you return a string that's set to these strings that you constantly have to compare to see if something is of one particular value? You could, but it wouldn't be very good practice. What we have here is a perfect example of a method that may very well return one of a specific finite set of values. So what I can do now is let's go ahead and enter a bool is looping equals true while is looping marriage status equals get status from user. I'll go ahead and split the definition and the declaration here for you guys. And then I can go ahead and say console write line, you are status if they do not specify. Then I'll go ahead and say is looping equals false, and then I'll say console write line program is finished, console read key. Now what I can do is I can sit here and I can specify the different statuses as much as I want, and my program gets that output. And then I can go ahead and put in a not specified, and it'll finish my program for me.